Chef's Messy Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook some salmon curry. I am descaling the fish. It's the worst bit. But if you eat it with scale, it will be so yucky. That's for sure. Because the scales are slippery, they don't cook. Once this is done, then it's like super easy. You can like just take off the skin. It's only because I like the skin. I've got all the ingredients here now. And let me introduce you to my masala dabba. Ta-da! These are the common masalas that we use in our cooking. This is turmeric powder, cardamom, red chilli, cumin powder, coriander powder, fenugreek seeds, and cloves. Today we are gonna use the turmeric and red chilli powder only. Sprinkle some salt. Let's do some mustard oil. Now this is optional. I use it for some flavor. Indian cooking, especially Bengali cooking, is mostly with mustard oil. So now we marinate all the spices to evenly cover the fish. Now we are gonna put it aside and then cut our vegetables and then we fry it. Start with chopping the onion, well, slicing the onion. So we're gonna make thin slices, as thin as possible. So now you just separate these onions so they're ready to fry. I think the more curry you want, the more onion you give, but there's no measurement as such. I just gave 1.5 onions. I love tomatoes, so I'm gonna put some more tomatoes. Just make long strip cut. Right, I love chilies. Just split the chilies in half. And I love coriander. Doesn't have to be fine, just needs chopping. With the stem, because the stem is the best part for aroma. Cutting is done. Let's move to cooking. How colorful is that? Let's put the heat on. So we're gonna start with pouring some mustard oil in the pan. We wait a few seconds for the mustard oil to get heated. I think it's hot already. I can start frying the fish. Whoa! We'll cook the rest in the gravy. We're gonna throw in the split green chillies. And now we are throwing in the sliced onions. We cook it for 5 minutes maybe. I love the sound of like sizzling onions. So once these change color, becomes a bit translucent, that's when I add the tomatoes. I'm gonna put just a little bit of salt in here so that the water comes out of the onion. Now we throw in the tomatoes. How easy is that? Basically, you just cook the simple ingredients you have in your kitchen all the time.
What's happening?
Oh, I'm going to sneeze. So we have added some salt, just a tiny bit of chili powder. Now we add the hot water. Mix everything well and let it cook. So I'm gonna add the fish now. I don't like wasting the extra spices and stuff, so I usually add water and then I pour the thing in the gravy. Add some hot water. Amazing. So good. That's really good. We're gonna sprinkle some chopped coriander for the final touch. Look at the color. That's our fish curry done. That's the fish curry done. So I squeeze some lime in it. It's so good.